My name is Gabrielle. I've been taking floor lessons for about 2.5 years, almost 3 years. Yeah, I started looking for lessons just out of college, wanted to develop some new hobbies. I've always loved music, but I've never kind of really dedicated myself to an instrument before, and I had a guitar, so I thought that would be a fun way to go, and I've stuck with it for many years now, and it's just been awesome. I started trying to learn the guitar on my own, which is very difficult to do. There are a lot of sources online. I've tried to check a lot of them out. There's not a lot of organization, or if you have any small questions, like even technical questions, it's difficult to find an answer, since there's not someone right there with you telling you this is how you do it. So I started looking around just for places, and I found SLC Guitar. It seemed really cool from the website and from the reviews and testimonials people have written, so I decided to give it a go. I felt connected and like it was a good place for me. So with the multi-dimensional guitar method, I found that you don't have to keep starting over when you're learning new things. You don't have to just be like, oh, this is like eighth notes, this is half notes, whole notes. You can do that and apply it to chords or riffs. Yeah, it just kind of builds the foundation for a bunch of different things slowly and like with steps, so you can get better at the same time. The way my chords have improved, I mean, they've improved a lot. I mean, when I started, my changes weren't terrible, but they definitely were sloppy, and then bar chords were like, no way. But now I can do them, so that's great, and on acoustic too, which is quite an achievement, but yeah. So the online student trainings have definitely helped my practicing, because I tend to not know what I want to practice or just don't have a goal. And with those I can work on a lot of basic things and get those kind of more solidified and grounded. And I come back to them as well. My confidence with guitar playing has definitely improved. Still a little shaky on some things, but I feel like I've gotten so much better. And it's been fun to share what I've learned in music with people who play guitar outside of the school or just with family members and friends. And it's definitely made me more enthusiastic about music and more, I don't know, like I examine music more. I'm like, oh, they did this, this, and this when I'm listening to songs. If you're excited about something in the guitar, just do it, and then, I don't know, you'll just keep getting better if you just have that enthusiasm. So.